Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up your Google Photos and how you can add your photos and videos to it. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on PC, it is very easy. You just go to photos.google.com, or you can access it through this menu once you're logged into your Google account. You just scroll down, locate photos, and click on it, and you'll be in your Google Photos app. Once you're here, if it is empty, it'll look like this. If you already have photos, it'll show you the photos here. But the way that you upload photos is either, as you can see, by dragging and dropping the photos and videos into the screen, or you can just click upload and then select them from your device. And it's as easy as that. On mobile phones, you will have an upload button, which you can use to upload the photos to your Google Photos account. And it is as simple as that. However, you can also use Google Drive to upload your photos to Google Photos. And what you need to know before you get started is the photo must be larger than 256 pixels. The file type must be either JPEG, HEIC, PNG, WebP, or GIF, and most RAW files also work. And if you use a Google account through work or school, you'll have to download from Google Drive and re-upload to Google Photos. This will not work in any other way, and that should be it. Now, the way that you can add videos from Google and photos from Google Drive to Photos, you just go to your computer, go to photos.google.com. At the top, you just click import from and then click Google Drive, then find and select your photos and or videos and click upload. And that is pretty much it. This method is only available, as you can see, on PC. There is no option for mobile phones and, well, both Android and iOS. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It is as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.